Hello, I'm going to be guessing the genders and sexualities of the Subway Surfers characters now. So let's scroll up to the top. I mean, not to the tippity top, but to, um, you know, where we left off. Okay, here we are. Lauren. I think Lauren is probably, she, they, or she, her. Probably she, they. And yeah, she's non-binary, demi girl, she, they, and she's like a lesbian as well. Like she's attracted to girls. Okay, Malik is probably non-binary, probably they them, um, and probably asexual. I'm gonna say Jolien, just regular she her cisgender female, heterosexual. Yeah, Philip, he's definitely gay. Philip, yeah, he's gay. He, him, cisgender, yeah, gay dude. Um, Freya, she could probably pass as bi if she wanted to. I could see her as bi, but I don't know. Only maybe. Only maybe, but definitely cisgender, she, her. Um, yeah, yeah. Salma, oh, Salma is like salmonella. Wow. She is, I'm gonna say she, they, Um, so yeah, demi girl, she, they, and she is a lesbian. She's attracted to females. Lee, trans dude, trans straight dude, he, him, yeah. Diego, um, I'm gonna say, yeah, he's a straight guy. He's straight, but he's the type of straight guy that gay dudes fantasize about. And he is, he, him, straight, cisgender man. Um, Manny, definitely gay, just because he's a skeleton and spooky things are gay. And, but he dresses like a straight guy. So, yeah, he's confused, I think. He's just confused. He doesn't know what he is. Um, I mean, he's not giving off bisexual vibes, but he's not giving off straight vibes, and he's not giving off gay vibes, and he's not giving off asexual vibes. So like, I'm just gonna say he's confused. You know, he's confusing me, and I am the Almighty, and I know everything. So what are you gonna do? Um, but he's he's he him. Actually, okay. No, he's a trans man, actually. Manny is a trans man, and he is gay. Final verdict. Final verdict. Nikolai is gay, definitely a gay man. Probably trans, yeah, trans gay dude, and yeah, he, him, yeah. Easy is straight, he, him, for easy. Straight cisgender man. Sophia is she is probably yeah, she's just cisgender. She's cisgender, but she's definitely an ally, and she is yeah, she, her, cisgender straight girl. Okay. Dylan. Okay, Dylan, Yeah, he's an ally, but he's straight and cisgender. He, him for Dylan. Boombot. Boombot, I love Boombot. Boombot is well that one goes by its pronouns, and it is a gender, no, doesn't have a gender because it's a robot, you know how it works. And it is asexual as well. Nina is one of my favorite characters. Can we give it up for Nina? She's got the spiky necklace just like me. She's a Berlin character, and damn if she's not cool. I wish I could have her. I wish I could play as her in the game, but alas, it costs money. But anyway, Nina is her gender. Okay, she goes by all pronouns, and they are non-binary, and he is attracted to all genders as well. So it's he, she, they, it, all pronouns for Nina. Yeah. Brandon. Look at Brandon. Brandon is asexual, Brandon does not partake in the sexual intercourse. He doesn't get railed, nor does he rail others. And he uses he, him pronouns, possibly trans. There's like a 30% chance he's trans, but yeah. Scarlet is a lesbian. She's a cisgender lesbian. Yeah. She, her, The mood died down. I got spaced out. Sorry. Alicia is actually a male. This is his drag persona, but he is actually male, and he's gay. But Alicia is his drag persona. So yeah, that's his deal. He, him for Alicia, but like when he's in his drag persona, then the pronouns are she, her, but only loosely, sometimes she, because you know how it is with drag queens, Miss Maya is she, her, and she is bisexual, queen. Yeah. Rabot is it's for Rabot because it's a robot. So yeah, and it's sorry, I had to blow on my computer because there was a hair, which is fitting because rabbit, hair, rabbits and hairs, haha, hee hee, yes, hilarious, yes, clap clap. Okay, so Rabot is non-binary, agender, and asexual. Yeah. Hugo. Hold on, let me take a sip of my drinky winky. It tastes so good. Bone apple teeth. Anyway, Hugo. Oh my god, so cute. He's a trans man, and he's bisexual / pansexual. I use the terms interchangeably. Hugo is just super cute. I just love Hugo. Little pilot. Oh, little pilot. Hello. No, but seriously. Rin is a trans woman, and she is she goes by she, her, and she is straight. No. She's bi. Ace is gay. Ace is gay and cisgender and is yeah. Yeah, he him. He him. Kareem is yeah, Kareem is straight and heterosexual. Yeah, that's the same thing. And and he's cisgender and also a homophobe, unfortunately. Yeah, Kareem, kind of an asshole. Sorry. Okay. May or my, I don't, me, may, my, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by a toe? Like, if it hollers, dude, man, like, let it go. Like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You know what I mean? Okay. Anyway, okay, so this gal, may, Mimo, mommy, mom, mother, Nintendo 64. That's that. Okay. Anyway, it's completely unrelated to the subject matter at hand. I don't know what the fuck she is. You know, maybe this whole thing is actually problematic. Maybe you can't judge people based off of their appearance. Maybe that's wrong because you can't see into their soul. You can't see into their mind. You can't see into their heart. Unless you have x-ray vision, which in that case, good for you. But, yeah, anyway, okay, valid criticism aside, I'm just gonna ignore that and move on because I'm an asshole, okay? Fuck me, I'm trash, I'm garbage. You know how it is, you know what I'm saying, mate, and you know what I'm saying, mate, yeah? Know what I mean? Anyway, me is a lesbian, and she is cisgender, she, her. Mimi is straight and cisgender, she, her. Maiko is a lesbian. Maiko is a lesbian, and she is, she goes actually by, she is not just lesbian, she is, gender fluid and goes by she, he pronouns. So sometimes she, sometimes he. Okay? But not they. Not they. Alba is, they go by she, they pronouns and are a demigirl and asexual. Yeah. Yeah. Amy is, gender fluid and goes by all pronouns. Yeah. And is pansexual. Yeah. Gonna skip over festive fresh, you know how it works. Monkbot, asexual, its pronouns, and, you know, non-binary, you know, agender. Liu is, straight, cisgender, heterosexual, you know, straight and hetero mean the same thing. But anyway, she is, yeah, she, her. Ming, I'm gonna go with, she's actually bisexual, but she has closeted biphobia. And she is cisgender, she, her. Callum, can we give it up for the big C? Big C, train spotting looking motherfucker. Yeah, give it up for Callum. So, Callum is, definitely queer, uses, he, they pronouns and is a demi-boy, Um, yeah, he's pretty fucking cool. I love you, Callum. I really do. Yeah. Okay. Jack. Uh, Jack's just your regular. He's just such a guy. He's just some guy. He's just like, yep, I'm Jack. He is. He's straight and cisgender, he, him, regular dude. Same with Dak and Lamar and Tom and Odell and Patrick and Saquon. So yeah, all those guys are just some guy. They're just guys being dudes, dudes being guys, being good old boys. You know how it is, and yep, that sort of thing. Just big boys, big boys. Tankbot, um, Tankbot. It's agender, asexual. It is what it is. Indeed. Kathy, Noel, or Noel. Okay, Kathy, Noel, Morgan. All three of them use xeno pronouns such as Zimzir and Zzir and Zazir and stuff like that. That's what they all use. Andy uses. I thought I already did Andy, but I guess not. Andy uses any and all pronouns, and they are gender fluid and pansexual. Skipping over these festive characters. Frankette, Spacebot, yeah, both of them use its, and are agender and asexual. Ox and Rat and Quinn and How. Okay. Ox uses any and all pronouns and is attracted to men. Rat uses he, him. Well, and Ox is, Ox is non-binary, okay. Rat is male, uses he, him, and is attracted to females, heterosexual. Quinn uses they, them, is non-binary, and is attracted to, I'm gonna say men. How is, male, he, him, uses, he, him pronouns, and is attracted to females. Zane, Zane uses they, them, and they are attracted to all genders, okay? Daryl, Daryl is heterosexual and is, attracted to all genders. Wait a minute, I should have stopped a while back. Wait, no, I'm sorry. Daryl is heterosexual, cisgender, he, him. Not attracted to all genders. Sorry, I misspoke. Okay, just hetero, and yeah, cisgender, he, him. Yeah. Okay, I should have stopped back at 104, okay? But I went ahead a little bit. So, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a nice diddly day.